Just a quick video for you guys here. If you're looking for a way to have wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay in your vehicle, if you are currently plugging in with a USB cable, um, you can actually get an adapter to make it wireless. This was one I found, and I've been using it for a couple months now. Wanted to make sure it actually worked because it is quite cheap. And when it shows up in a little box like this. And this is what you get in the box. This is just an adapter. This is the actual piece that you'll see pictured there on Amazon. You get a very basic instruction manual. So you plug this in. After you plug it in, you'll get prompted to connect to the device using Bluetooth. So you'll go into your Bluetooth settings on your phone, connect to this device via Bluetooth, and you'll pair that just like any other Bluetooth device. Once you're connected to this device via Bluetooth, this device will then connect to your CarPlay or Android Auto. How it works, in essence, this device creates a virtual cable from it to your phone using Bluetooth. That's how the technology works. So your car and your phone basically think it's plugged in through a cable like it normally is. This device forces that to happen. This is a cheap way to do that, $25. There's more expensive ones on the market that I'm sure maybe have a cleaner setup guide. This was a little bit clunky. So if you're not a techie person, I would not recommend this. But if you are comfortable working with connecting Bluetooth on your device, this is a cheap way to go. The issue I had was I connected it at first and then it said it failed to connect on Bluetooth, and I ended up having to unplug this from the car a couple times, plug it back in, and just mess with the Bluetooth because my phone was having a difficult time getting connected to it. Now it's possible if you're on an iPhone that process may be smoother. I have the Pixel, was it 9 Pro, the latest one. I'm forgetting what Pixel I have, but it took a little bit of time to get it connected. But once it's connected, this just stays plugged into your car, and when you turn your car on and you are in it, it just automatically boots up Android Auto. That's amazing. You get in, turn your car on, and within less than a minute, you have Android Auto loaded on your screen. So that works really well. I did occasionally have issues where if you walked away from the car and the Bluetooth disconnected and you walked back to your car and the car was still on, it would lose the Android Auto connectivity, but it wouldn't automatically reconnect it. To fix that, it was simply unplug this from the car and plug it back in. In essence, unplugging the cable, plugging the cable back in, that reset everything. So it works really well, but I would say it's a little bit of a technical jump. It's not as seamless as just getting in your car and turning it on. You do have to get this connected and configured. But I like this one because it's really small, really low profile. Again, I'll put the link in the description to this here on Amazon. You can see here, this is one I ordered back in December. $25 right now. I think I paid a little bit more than that, but you can see it's on sale. And it works, and it's super convenient once you get it set up and working because you don't have to plug it in anymore. All right, that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching. Again, if you're interested, links in the description. Thanks for watching.